Hey there, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today I'm about to teach you how to go ahead and open your Instagram account. So it is going to be a very simple and easy step-by-step tutorial. So feel free to watch the video till the end, and with that being said, let's get straight into the video. To do this, firstly you need to open your Instagram app. So here it opens a new home page of Instagram, and you have to create a username in the first step. So it provides you a username with a number. So click on the next button. So it provides you some guidelines. Click on the yes, continue, complete sign up. So here you have to choose your account to be private or public. Public. Next. So you have to add a profile picture, but you can do it later on. Just skip it right now. Skip this. And here you go, your Instagram account is made. So thank you for watching.